All right, let's practice some more problems. You're going to have some of these problems today in Seesaw. The directions say, write correct if the operations are listed in the correct order. If not correct, write the correct order of operations. All right, so you're just going to look here at the problem. For example, number 1. Number 1 says 4 plus 5 times 2. All right, so again, the directions say write correct if the operations are listed in the order. So here they tell you the order of operations to do first. Is this correct? Would we multiply first and then add? Yes, that's what the rule says. The rule says the first thing you would do is either multiply, divide from left to right, then you would add and subtract. So this one would be correct. And that's all you would have to write is correct. You don't even have to solve it. Number 2 says 8 divided by 4 times 2. They say you multiply first and then divide. Well, this one, okay, so remember, the rule 1 says multiply or divide from left to right. So you can do one of those first. In this case, since 8 divided by 4 starts from left to right here, you would actually divide first. It's okay to divide, and then you would multiply. So since this one's wrong, they said multiply first and then divide. If the problem is wrong, then you would have to correct it by writing the order of operations. So you would divide and multiply. Let me do 2 more. What about number 3? Number 3 says 12 plus 16 divided by 4. They say you add first and then divide. Oh, no, 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 that's wrong. We know we have to multiply or divide first. And in this case, we divide first, then we add. So we would write divide and add. We would just change it to make it correct. And last one that I'm going to do, number 4 says 9 plus 2 times 3. They say to add first and then multiply. No, no, no. We don't add first. We multiply before we add. So we would write multiply, then you add. So just think. Multiplication and division you always do before you add and subtract. Okay?